Alright, here we go. This is going to be some mail. I've got a bin of mail off to my right here. I'm just going to pull from it. Start with this one. Probably a lot of 2016 football, but we'll see what other sets are in here. Jordan Howard, this is the Mirror Blue. It's out of 50. It's pretty sweet. His stuff's actually going up a little bit now. For a while, his stuff was dirt cheap. So 26, that's certified 16. Hands are freezing. It's about 10 degrees in Kansas City right now. Absolute 16, CJ Pro Size. That's out of $4.99. It's probably the worst signature next to a 2005 rookie, Vernon Morency. I think he just put a V on there, but that one's pretty bad too. Here's a Howard. I think a couple Howards. Never mind, it's just one. This is Unparalleled Dual Jersey. This is probably a couple bucks. Out of $1.99. I'm not sure about that set. It seems like it would give you a seizure if you opened a case of it. Wendell Smallwood. I think I just bought this because it had a low print. 5 of 8. That was pretty cheap. It was about $5. That's from Infinity, which is probably the weakest product that Panini's come out with this year. So just tons of 2016 stuff. Kenneth Dixon Pen Pals auto. This is on card. They had these signed. I think they had them signed right at the rookie premiere last May. So it's a cool way to ship. It's almost like a greeting card or something. 2 stamps. I can feel there's 2 cards, so let's try to cut down the middle. It's a different way. Doesn't bother me as long as the cards are getting alright. Those are some nice cards to be shipping without tracking. This is the orange refractor of Zeke. Yeah, I'd been kind of checking the prices on these, what they were going for, and I was able to pick this one up pretty much at the bottom of the market. So I don't want to go too crazy on him because his stuff's going to drop after the season and into next. It's going to be hard to stay where he's at pretty much. I don't think any back ever has sustained, you know, the hype value from their rookie season. It's just, it's hard to do. This is a certified 16. This is a Mirror Orange to $3.99. This is actually a cool looking card. I don't know if it's sticker or I'm not sure if the background on that is sticker, but this is Infinity and it's Jordan Howard auto. $2.88. I'm not sure if that's a sticker or if that's just on the thing. It's probably a sticker. Oh. I think he just threw this in. Yeah, I didn't buy this. Panini Select Barkevius Mingo auto. Oh, it expired. Hell, I'll still scratch it. Why not? Absolute. It's actually a cool patch on this one. Michael Thomas to 25. First time I've gotten a random redemption. This is cool. It's in one of those old school cases too. The ones that you had as a kid for like your best card. And you thought that was the best way to protect them, but it really isn't, because the corners always end up dinged in these things. Gotta have soft sleeves. Game Gear. This is Tomlinson. These are cheap, man. $25. You can pick up one of those. A Tomlinson auto rookie. Nuts. Or you can pay $25 for a 2016 rookie who has done nothing. It's just funny how the hobby is. These are packaged well. Oh, nice job. We got Will Fuller. I think these are like $10 a pop. Boxes of this stuff are insane. It's like $130 a box. I would never touch it at that. But this is a Fuller /99 auto. They got nice patches too. This one was $25. So cheap cards. Showed some promise this year with bad quarterback play, so maybe he turns into one of the stars of that class. Yet to be seen. I've got like 40 or 50 of this card. It's so undervalued. SPX Jamal. It's got a high print, but he doesn't have a lot of auto jerseys. I think this is like one of his only ones. So 10,000 yard back too. Kind of did that tribute to Fred Taylor about a month ago. I should do a Jamal one. Here's a Jamal Charles. Kind of sucks being a Chiefs fan. Not that, I mean, we're having a great season, but we don't have Charles. Charles was kind of the man when we had year after year of futility back about 5 years ago. But purple mosaic /50. That's from 15 Prism. It's just all football cards now at this point. Got an Aikman camo. This is out of 25. This is something that I would probably send in a bulk order or just put in the store. I don't collect Aikman. I don't think he was that kind of a player, honestly. He was definitely better than Joe Namath, though. Look up his career stats. It's pathetic. He's in the Hall of Fame. Tomlinson, Pros and Prospects. This is out of 1,000. This card's very, very undervalued. Probably 10 or $12 on this. That right corner's looks like a dog bit it, but cool. So this package was probably lost for a while. It's in one of these Ziploc bags almost, and it's all black. It's probably sitting on a conveyor belt for a while. It's a Jordan Howard, of course. This is another one of those Infinities /288. I like the design on this. Oh, this is filthy. I bought this from a guy who just got the coolest stuff on eBay next to PWCC. His name is Card Registry. He doesn't have a ton of listings, but his stuff is just top of the line. This is a rookie watch, Tomlinson Gold. There's only 50 of it. I don't ever see this card pop up. Whoops, I had to overpay a little too to get it. He was pretty firm with the price too. That's sweet. Here's another one of those Game Gears. They just sell so cheap at auctions. It's hard to resist them. This case is probably from 2001. It's like yellow. It's faded yellow like my Super Nintendo. Here's something. These were toss-ins, so he threw in some baseball cards. And it's the cards flying out of the case. Look at that. Roy Williams /250. Oh, I gotta show you this one. Let me find this package. Okay, guys. This came in the mail, I don't know, This says December 19th, so I guess I just got around to opening it now. But this is how the card came. I swear to God, I lifted this flap, and I thought the card fell out of the case, like it was in a case or a soft sleeve. This is how it was shipped. I swear to God, I won't lie to you guys. Shipped like this. It's in pretty good condition. I might grade it. No, it's got a ding on the top left. But this is something where I would probably think about negative feedback. He shipped the card, he put the card in here. No sleeve, nothing. That's the worst I've ever seen, guys. I don't think that'll ever be topped. Unless he just put like postage on the card. Like put a stamp here and then wrote my address on the back. That'd be the next step down, but it's pretty bad. I had to show you guys that one because a lot of times I, bitch and complain a little bit about the shipping. But I mean, that's just taking it to a whole nother level. And I know you guys are going to be appalled by that one. Will Fuller to 99. This is Panini Origins. Good product. Here's a Game Gear Breeze. This is the base rookie to 500. Tough set because of the red right here on the left border and on the back right. So that's usually chipped up white a little bit, so the odds of getting a 10 are really low on this, but I think a 9 is solid for that one. Here's another one of those bubble cushion mailers where you pull. Oh, I fucked it up. Hey, it's in a case. And a soft sleeve. It's just coming out of there. Eli Apple. Red Crystal 75 auto. I got Breeze. This is a Elite Red to 49 from 16. This product was fantastic too. Honestly, Panini's done a good job. I mean, I've talked a lot of shit on them in the past, but they put out good products this year. They also got lucky having two of the best rookies being potential MVP candidates playing on the Dallas Cowboys, but they've also done a nice job. I mean, you got to give them credit. This is a really tough set. If you've ever opened 15 certified, the RPAs are always dented out of the pack, and there's nothing you can do about it. 2016, they did a better job with the RPAs, but you still got some of the similar issues going on. But this Cooper was like $50, and it's out of 75. It's got a nice patch, and it's a PSA 10, so I thought that was a steal. And some Gypsy Queens. Can't stand that set. Any set with mini cards bother me. This is filthy. I don't have an auto of him. Maybe one, but Barry Sanders 5-star. I think this is 14 5-star. Yeah, 14 5-star. It's not numbered, but I think the vets were a little tougher pulls in this stuff. And that's an on-card Barry. Condition, it's dinged up in the right, but that's kind of one I just kind of wanted. Alright, that's come on. That's bad. No top loader. Watch it, it arrives perfect too. Jordan Howard, orange, $1.99, sweet patch, and it is in good shape. I mean, it's like, it'd be nice to have a top loader, but at least I got the sleeve. Alright, Jamal Charles, light blue prism, 16. This was probably like $1.50 or something. $1.99. Cool Chiefs PC card. PSA 8. This is an SPX Beckham Jr. This set's so tough. Really tough. That's just the way the foil was, and they come out of the pack. So Beckham SPX PSA 8. That's out of 425. And we're going to end on this. This is a LeBron James Topps 2003 PSA 9. Solid grade there. So lots of stuff. Tons of cards. Lots of 2016 football. Nothing really crazy aside from the Barry, but still some cool stuff to collect. That's it.